There's one liquid sitting in almost every kitchen that people either ignore or totally underestimate. It's cheap, it smells strong, and most folks only use it for cooking. But when you find out what it can really do, you might never look at your kitchen the same way again. Today, we're talking about vinegar. And no, this is not one of those fake internet hack videos where nothing works in real life. These are vinegar hacks that actually work. Things people use every single day with real results. Some of them save money, some improve health habits, and some just make life easier. Vinegar has been around for thousands of years, used in cooking, cleaning, and even old-school home remedies. What's interesting is that many of these uses got lost over time as people turned to expensive products. The truth is, vinegar is simple, powerful, and incredibly versatile when you know how to use it the right way. We'll go step by step through 7 practical vinegar hacks. Each one builds on the last, and by the end, you'll probably want to grab that bottle from your pantry and try at least one today. Let's get into it. Hack number 1. Vinegar for better digestion before meals. Let's start with a health habit that's simple but surprisingly effective. Drinking a small amount of apple cider vinegar before meals has been used for generations to support digestion. The key here is dilution and timing. Mix 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a full glass of water and drink it about 10 to 15 minutes before eating. Many people say this helps reduce bloating and that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after meals. It may also help your stomach break down food more efficiently, especially protein-rich meals. This isn't a miracle cure, but it's a small habit that fits easily into daily life. Start slow, see how your body reacts, and never drink vinegar straight. Your teeth and throat will thank you. Hack number 2. Vinegar as a natural blood sugar helper. This next one gets a lot of attention for a reason. Vinegar may help reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, especially meals high in carbs. Some people add a splash of vinegar to meals like rice, pasta, or potatoes. One easy way to do this is using vinegar-based salad dressings or adding it to marinades. Another option is the same diluted vinegar drink before meals. Many people notice steadier energy levels and fewer crashes later in the day. This is especially helpful for people trying to manage cravings or avoid that tired feeling after eating. It's a simple habit that supports better balance without changing your entire diet. Hack number 3. Vinegar for fresher produce. Have you ever brought home fresh fruits and vegetables only to watch them spoil faster than expected? Vinegar can help with that too. A quick vinegar rinse may help remove bacteria and residue from produce. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water in a bowl or spray bottle. Gently rinse fruits and vegetables, then rinse again with plain water and dry them well. This works great for berries, leafy greens, and apples. People often notice their produce lasts longer in the fridge after doing this. Less waste, fewer grocery trips, and fresher food all week is a win. Hack number 4. Vinegar for odor control in the home. Vinegar doesn't smell great at first, but here's the funny part. Once it dries, the smell disappears, taking other odors with it. That makes it perfect for neutralizing smells in your home. You can place a small bowl of vinegar in the fridge, near trash cans, or in musty rooms. It absorbs odors instead of covering them up. You can also mix vinegar and water to wipe down surfaces where smells linger. This works especially well for kitchens, pet areas, and gym bags. It's cheap, effective, and doesn't rely on artificial fragrances. Hack number 5. Vinegar for cleaner, shinier kitchen surfaces. This is one of the most popular vinegar hacks, and it works because vinegar naturally cuts through grease and grime. A simple vinegar and water spray can replace many store-bought cleaners. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Use it on countertops, sinks, stovetops, and even glass. It leaves surfaces clean and streak-free without harsh chemicals. Just avoid using vinegar on natural stone like granite or marble since the acid can damage them. For everything else, it's a powerful and safe option for everyday cleaning. Hack number 6. Vinegar for hair and scalp health. This one surprises a lot of people. A diluted vinegar rinse can help remove product buildup from hair and leave it looking shinier. It also helps balance the scalp, which some people find reduces itchiness or flakes. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water. After shampooing, pour it over your hair, let it sit for about a minute, then rinse thoroughly. The vinegar smell fades once your hair dries. People with oily or product-heavy hair tend to notice the biggest difference. It's not something you need to do every day, just once a week or every couple of weeks. Hack number 7. Vinegar for craving control. This final hack builds on everything we've talked about so far. Vinegar may help reduce cravings, especially sugary snacks. Some people notice they feel more satisfied after meals when vinegar is part of their routine. This could be through salad dressings, diluted drinks, or pickled foods. Vinegar adds flavor and acidity, which can make meals feel more complete. That often leads to fewer random snacks later. When cravings drop, healthy choices become easier. This isn't about restriction, it's about support. Small changes like this add up over time. Here's the big takeaway, and this is what most people miss. Vinegar doesn't work because it's trendy or magical, it works because it supports systems your body already has: digestion, balance, and appetite control. When used correctly, vinegar helps your body do what it's meant to do more efficiently. That's why these hacks have been around for generations and keep coming back. It's not about doing more, it's about doing small things consistently. That one bottle in your kitchen isn't just an ingredient, it's a tool, and once you understand that, everything changes. So let's recap. Vinegar can support digestion, help manage blood sugar, keep food fresher, remove odors, clean your home, improve hair health, and even help control cravings. 7 simple hacks, all from one affordable ingredient. You don't need to try all of these at once. Pick one that fits your life right now and start there. Small habits are the ones that stick, and those are the ones that make the biggest difference. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple health and wellness tips that actually work. Drop a comment below and tell me, which vinegar hack are you most excited to try first? Or do you already use vinegar in a way that most people don't?